Grabe mga idol, nanaig na naman ang lakas ng mga taga-probinsya. Akalain mong tinambakan ng Pangasinan ang Marikina sa score na 108-79. Dominanteng-dominante. Mula umpisa hanggang dulo, makikita mo talaga yung chemistry at hustle ng Pangasinan. Habang tila nahihirapan mag-init ang Marikina, parang sinabayan pa ng crowd energy. Todo suporta ang mga kababayan. Gusto mong makita kung paanong dinurog ng Pangasinan ang Marikina? Tara, panoorin natin ang highlights at full recap dito.
Pizza fired the three. Let's go. Nandaya lost it. Recovered by Peñano. Banging bodies with Collado. And Peñano regains control. Begins to Urquiza. The hesitation move. Push shot off the glass. Too strong. Rebounded Jay Collado. To Cortiza. Layup is good.
Walang ika nga eh, walang volume.
Kaya walang volume yung buhok. Macalio for two. Comes up with a great steal. Macalio is there. Collado with a fake. And
Nag-e-effort.
the change. Cortiza nails the three. Tira ni Cortiza.
Kaya may pagkakataon.
Napoles pulls up to Gabo. Esed Gabo. Jumper from Hesse. Nem de la Cruz. Player of the week a couple of weeks ago. Nem de la Cruz! In the coverage for also 5 minutes.
And because of that, you also get a thumbs up from Tick Boy.
And the OB band up yung Nobleza. Nagmamadali ang Pangasinan. The no-look pass. Hesed Gabo de la Cruz. 3 on 2. Although nakababa na rin ang mga nakaitim. Layup ni Casajeros.
Side motivate
Ang ano doon, ang punto ko doon is that kailangan magkukulang na yun.
Oo, the youngster really is someone
Napoles fakes. Dore, another try. Still no good.
start of the second half.
This photo. Nice. 7 of the quarter. Pangasinan. Nahanap si Peñan Moles.
So, nahirapan rin eh.
Nandayan to Peñano. Oh, beautiful.
Sinuwebing, it's 29-18 na naging score.
Only one for Marikina. Rafael Go. Well defended by Julian. Jomel drives baseline. Nice fake. Yes, sir. On the move. But kay Silas. Silas pulls up. Yes. Sabare. To go. At the 3. Yes. 14 points lang namang. Inside. Taganas. Yes. Was the foul. Inside scoring. Pangasinan 52-28. Guard. Ildefonso. Inside. Assist. A whopping